Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Baidu have released another new exciting model which is the CoBuddy, and it is completely free currently on OpenRouter, and they have made this model optimized for coding and AI agent workflows. And I have tested this model with Claude Code, and here you see this kind of output I have got, and I can surely say that this model can be a replacement of Claude Haiku, but this model cannot be used instead of sonnet or opus. Okay, instead of haiku you can easily use this, and this model based use case, if I talk about small to medium logic generation and also code base exploration, and also here you see that I have asked this kind of question that explain the stacking effect logic inside the script. So basically inside my existing code base I have this kind of stacking effect, this logic, and I asked it that what this logic, please explain me. And also here you see it has given me the proper line number, and also it has explained me in detail. So this kind of logic generation and code base explanation exploration, you can use it. And also guys, I have a small request to all of you. If you have not followed our Twitter page yet, please follow it. You will get all of the latest AI notification daily. They have mentioned that it has the AI agentic capability, and it supports the tool calling and reasoning. So that means in case of OpenClaw or in any other AI agent like Hermes, there you can use this model because of tool calling capability. And also it has a reasoning capability, so that's why if you want to do any kind of small to medium kind of AI agent work, let's say in your Gmail, you have a schedule of meeting and you want to know that what are the meetings that are scheduled for tomorrow. So in that case you can use this kind of model, and currently they have not released any pricing for this model. Currently it is free on OpenRouter, and also here you see it features the high inference throughput. So that's why the model speed is not that much high, and I will say that it is kind of slow than the Laguna XS. So you know that Laguna XS point 2, this model I discussed some days ago. And if you have not watched this video till now, you can go to our channel Code Digit and you can search this model Laguna and you will find that video. This model is also very best model, and there's Laguna XS point 2 and this Code Buddy from Baidu, and also Gemini 3.1 Flashlight. These are actually same category model. Okay, means all these three models, Gemini 3.1 Flashlight, CodeBuddy, and Laguna X6.2, they can be a replacement of Claude Haiku 4.5, right? And if you want to try this model inside client or inside KiloCode, RuCode, or inside Cloud Code, then let me show you the process quickly. So in case of client, it is very easy. You just go to their settings part, and there you will find this plan and act mode, and select this API provider as the OpenRouter and give your OpenRouter API key, and select this model CodeBuddy for free. Do the same for the act mode and you are good to go to use this model. And if you want to know how to get the OpenRouter API keys, then just go to this link. I will keep this link in description, and here just click on this new key and here give any name and click on this create, and you will get your API key. So just paste that there and you can easily use that model. Now in case of Cloud Code setup, I will highly recommend you to go with this Jan.ai. Previously also I made several videos regarding this Jan and Cloud Code setup. If you have not watched, go to our channel, search this Jan here, and you will find many videos, and watch this video Jan plus Cloud Code setup. In detail I have explained, and basically you have to go to this Jan.ai. By the way, I am not sponsoring this Jan. I have found useful for Cloud Code setup because any model you can map to Sonnet or Opus or Haiku. That's why it is very useful. So according to operating system, you can download it, and after that, you just do the simple installation. Next, and after that, go to the settings bar on the left hand side. After that, go to this Cloud Code. Here you see integration part, and here you see that you can map any model to Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku. Currently, I have mapped this Game of 4 to Opus, and CodeBuddy to Sonnet, and Haiku to this Laguna Access Point 2. Okay, so it is not in a proper way. I have just mapped all of this model randomly to the Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku. Okay, so actually, for using this open router or any model, you on the left hand side you will find this model provider. Go to this open router, and here you will find by default this basic model, and here you need to paste that API key. And after pasting the API key, here you see there is a refresh button. Just click on that, and you will find all of the available model here. Now after that, you can come to this Cloud Code integration, and here search any model. Let's say this model CoBuddy, CoBuddy, and here you see CodeBuddy. Okay, so just after that save and enable, and you are good to go to use it. And after that open the Cloud Code, and just let me show you. Here you see slash model you have to do. Okay, just let me show you slash model, and here you see Baidu CoBuddy for free custom sonnet model it is showing. And after that here you see you can start interacting with this model. I just gave the same prompt that I used for every other model to test it, and after that it has generated this kind of output. And after accepting it, I have shown you the output, right? Now after that I just interacted with this model. So this is the kind of experience that I have got, and this model really have the great potential. And until they are releasing the actual price, I cannot say anything about that. Currently this is the free model that are available through OpenRouter, $0 input and output token. And if you want to do the setup if you want the setup for this CoBuddy plus OpenClaw, you can comment down below. I will make a separate video on that. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care. And if you found this video helpful, and if you want to get this kind of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to watch the other videos that I have already published on our channel.